Sitting on the porch eating chili with cheese, breeze blowing soft, then a rumble sees me. Gut feeling heavy like a storm at my core. Next thing I knew, man, I shook the floor. Leaned to the left, thought I sneak it discreet, but the sound that erupted was far from petite. Back cracked loud like a tree in the gale. Neighbors heard the echo, thought I set off a whale. You ever fart so hard your back cracked? Thought I broke my spine, yeah, that's a fact. Pressure released, it was something divine. Now I walk straighter than a clothesline. Doctor said, son, you got tension to spare. Told him my remedy, he just stared. Back pain's gone, doc, I'm feeling real new. All it took was a toot and a little gut kung fu. Grandpa said, boy, that's a family skill. Your great Uncle Earl used to flatten the hill. It's a gift, it's a curse, but I wear it with pride. My spine aligned and my soul satisfied. Who needs a masseuse when you got beans? A symphony of sounds, a man's release. I ain't ashamed, it's nature's call. Turn my pain to a win, y'all.